So I did two things in this meeting. First one is already done. One was to do a panel discussion on how to reduce the cost of the clinical trials. And the second topic, we'll be talking about immunotherapy advances against cancers, how immunotherapy is having a war on the cancers, and how the self is actually started winning against cancers. It's very, very interesting topics, very close to my heart actually. The key trends in the clinical trials is more adaptive designs in the clinical trials that can give us a good, quick readout on the patients and outcome of your molecule. So that's one of them. I think that the biggest payoff will be if we can streamline these very innovative trials and get the good data. Whether it's gene therapy, whether it's immunotherapy, anything that's a huge impact on major cancers or major human diseases. I think that's where you're going to see the major payoff. I think the pharma and biotech, they're already doing it to some extent. They're first, obviously, you have to learn things if they do anything well in non-clinical settings, and then you take the key hypothesis and take it forward in clinical settings. And design what I call it very smart trials. They are not necessarily for registration of your molecule, but try to answer some of the hypothesis-driven questions. And this is where technology is going to be implemented. Whether you take the digital imaging, where you can look at the what's happening in your body more digitally. That's coming. We are also getting into digital health, where we can look at the patient outcome after the drug is approved or prior drug is approved, just from getting recordings from home, whether it's blood pressure, whether it's lung function, whether it's your pulse rate, all electronically done, that you wear something, a wearable watch, and all the recordings are directly getting to the computer. It's already happening, and I think you're going to see more and more of that.